battery out of the middle.
Hi, I'm Kayla, and I'm a rising junior at Los Gatos High School, and my second milestone is to get my wireless controller to control the motors on my WHEG robot. So when the right joystick is pushed up, the right motors will go, and when the left joystick is pushed up, the left motors will go. And when both are pressed up, they will both go, and the same is true if the joystick is pushed down and the motors will reverse, so the robot can go backwards. So there are two XP modules here, and one on my Arduino and another on my wireless controller. I configured these two XP modules to be on the same personal area network, also known as PAN ID. So this way, if someone else nearby was using XP modules, their signals will not interfere with what I'm trying to send to my robot. At first, the robot was not very fast because only 5 volts were being sent from this motor controller and this motor controller back here. But then this buck converter allows there to be 10 volts to allow the robot to be a lot more powerful. Back to the XPs. Based on the analog values being read on this wireless controller, there's a series of if statements that will send out characters based on what situation there is, whether or not it's up, down, or etc. And then these characters are sent over to my Arduino to be read. Then on the Arduino there is this switch case statement that reads these characters and therefore runs certain motors based on the case. Some major problems that I had with this project was learning how to configure and communicate these two XPs. Prior to the program, I had no previous knowledge about radio modules, so this was a really big learning experience for me. Another problem that I had was having to reprint and redesign many different modifications to these WHEG wheels, because when they were 3D printed, they would come out the wrong size or other wrong small issues. One final addition that I made to this robot is that I 3D designed and printed my own 3 new design wheels. For instance, this one here is a larger wheel of these that you see here. In this way, it can reach more obstacles and run into less things. And this one here can also help the robot reach new levels if it is trying to reach a new platform or whatnot. And this last one here can also give the robot more stability because the 3 spokes here kind of make the thing walk. Thank you for watching.